Inside, not outside. Here comes John Grubb and John Mookie. Mookie closes 9/10 of a second. Hit by Courtney Jarvis. There's 3 and 4 being chased by 1 and 2. We're at turn number 2. With a minute 20 to go. Now McCoy wants to get by Dave Vantoff. Nice move, and Dave Vantoff to the inside coming on turn number 2. Oh, here comes John Grubb. Grubb trying to get around him too because he's got Mookie right behind him. Here comes Mookie closing on Grubb. Mel McCoy gets out of the way of those two. Mookie pulling the inside line, gets the inside wall. Oh, a little sideways goes Mookie. Mel McCoy, no place to go. Gives Dave Vantoff a sigh of relief because now Mel McCoy is quite a few ways back. John Grubb in the lead, Mookie in second, Vantoff in third spot. Mel McCoy in fourth. Oh, a little tap there, McCoy, and Mookie takes over the lead. Mookie taking over the lead now. John Grubb in that second spot, Dave Vantoff in that third position. Vantoff to the inside line. Vantoff trying to run. He's trying to hold off Mel McCoy too for that third position. Here comes Mookie and Grubb side by side on a 4. Grubb takes over the lead. Mookie back to second. Dave Vantoff in that third spot, but Dave Vantoff's a couple laps back from these guys. Grubb, 2 turns, 3 and 4 coming on the backside. And slamming Sammy comes the leader. 8 seconds left to go on the clock. 5 to go. 3, 2, and 1. It's going to be a race to the wire, drivers. A finish lap you're on. Race to the wire and finish lap you're on.